My name is Ariel, not Ariel. Today my speech contest is today my speech title is Why are cats better than dogs? Original title is Why are dogs better than cats? But for me, I choose cats better than dogs because I think many people choose dogs better than cats. So I choose cats better than dogs. I like cats better than dogs because cats so very sweet. Cats so very cute and clingy. They like to cuddle to people. Sometimes they funny too. They make people laugh by doing funny face. They make people happy when they are sad and worried. Cats so very quiet, so people can sleep well even if cats are around. So I think cats better than dogs. How about you? Do you like cats or dogs? My speech is finished. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.
Bye bye.